DevOps, the infrastructure that keeps the internet running, is famously unforgiving. Tools like Kubernetes for managing software containers and Amazon Web Services for cloud hosting are dense, interconnected systems where a single misplaced character can take down an entire application. To survive learning these massive architectures, most students default to a strict survival strategy, finding a step-by-step tutorial and following it to the absolute letter. This cautious approach works if the only goal is a green light on a screen. But when you only ever color inside the lines, you fail to learn the actual anatomy of a system crash. Cloud computing education has accidentally trained a generation of students to optimize for avoiding catastrophe rather than pursuing the skills required to fix it. Enter Prabhat Kumar. When he joined the Skill Wanderer mentorship program as an undergraduate, he arrived with a massive claim. He told his mentors he already knew Kubernetes, AWS, and Docker. That level of confidence is rare for a student, but it only took a few assessments to spot the reality. Despite his bold entrance, Prabhat had significant foundational gaps in how these tools actually communicated with each other. Usually, a student humbled by a complex system retreats to the safety of the official documentation. Prabhat did the opposite. He flatly refused to use the provided step-by-step guides. It seems counterintuitive for an ambitious student to ignore a perfectly curated manual that guarantees success and steer his education directly into chaotic, uncharted territory. By tossing out the rules, Prabhat initiated a calculated, alternative mechanical approach to technical education. Inside the Skill Wanderer Learning Dojo, Prabhat treated the infrastructure like a stress test. Instead of configuring his servers to run smoothly, he purposefully pushed the limits of the architecture to find the exact point of failure. The systems reacted predictably, the wild territory bit back, and his server environments crashed over and over again. This meant endless screens of red error codes, broken network configurations, and debugging sessions that stretched long past midnight to figure out what went wrong. While he was pulling his hair out over a shattered cluster, his peers in the cohort were already moving on to the next module, having copied and pasted their way to a working deployment. These late-night battles with error logs functioned as a mechanism for generating deliberate educational friction. This chart shows the mechanical advantage in failures. Knowing how to turn a server on is surface level. Knowing exactly why a container orchestrator drops a connection creates a resilient, hands-on comprehension. This deep understanding leads to a sudden vertical climb in capability. The empirical result of this messy strategy was staggering. Prabhat completed the entire rigorous DevOps mentorship path in under 2 months. Seeking out the most error-prone path compressed years of troubleshooting experience into weeks, proving that the messiest route can often be the fastest. There is a massive gap between breaking a server in a simulated learning environment and keeping a live application running for actual users. Prabhat has now taken his skills out of the dojo, working directly with Skill Wanderer's industry partner, MindyCore. Corporate infrastructure is inherently chaotic. Under the pressure of live traffic and tight deadlines, systems naturally fracture and break. Most junior engineers freeze when a production database goes offline. Prabhat doesn't, because he spent his entire education navigating those exact breakages. A flawless run through a perfectly formatted tutorial will give you a working app, but it will never give you technical expertise. Real competence comes from the courage to tear a functional system apart, coupled with the resilience to rebuild it from the error logs up. If you want to actually master the tools you're learning, stop playing it safe. Ditch the guardrails, step off the tutorial path, and embrace the breakage. The most direct path to competence in any complex field involves abandoning the safety of the known to map the uncharted.